The first of the 6 success factors is the development of your business plan. So how do you go about developing a business plan? Well, first you have to define your starting point. Now, it doesn't matter where you are at currently, financially, mentally, emotionally, physically. What does matter is that you know exactly where you are. Once you define your starting point, then you can develop a set of strategies to get you to your end point or the ends. Next, you have to identify your mission and your vision and your values. Now, this may seem like it's something for a large corporation, not a real estate broker, but that's simply not true. Your mission is what you are out to accomplish in your business, and your vision is what your business will look like once you have met the objectives of your mission. It's what your company is. It's well defined, and you have a very clear picture of what you want to accomplish in your real estate practice. And then your values are the guiding principles that govern your decision making as you execute on your strategic business plan. Then you need to establish your timeline. Now, your timeline for achieving your vision is crucial to the success of your company's vision. The action plan that you develop will be determined by the timeline that you define. The more aggressive your timeline, the greater the number of action items that will need to be accomplished in a shorter period of time. So this is where you get to do a reality check to make sure that you have the time, the resources, the energy to accomplish what you have set out to do in the time frame that you've defined. Another key part of your business plan is your unique selling proposition. Now, what was that? A unique selling proposition? Your unique selling proposition is simply what differentiates yourself in the marketplace. It's the answer to the question, why would someone use me over anyone else, including doing nothing? Without something that differentiates you from every other agent out there, it's going to be difficult to successfully meet your vision. You can virtually eliminate your competition by determining what area of real estate you will specialize in and thereby become the trusted authority. Once you determine your unique selling proposition, you can then develop a set of action items that will pull you into a process of continuous learning and adapting to the changing market. Your unique selling proposition will also determine your communication to the marketplace. So once you know these things, you can then pick your strategies in order to achieve your vision. Now, there's no lack of strategy out there. You can call canceled and expireds for sale by owners, work inside your scope of influence, referral-based marketing, web-based marketing, lead systems. There is no end to strategies, but by understanding your natural ability and matching that ability to a strategy that's appropriate for you, you can then determine the action steps necessary to achieve your vision. Then it just simply becomes a matter of identifying the actions that you need to do each day in order to complete that strategy. So you also need a system of measurements and metrics. You can't manage what you don't measure. You need to know what changes you need to make when managing your business. It's essential that you develop a daily, a weekly, a monthly, a quarterly dashboard of the key measurements necessary to determine if your plan is on track for success. Now, periodically reviewing these measurements allows you to make corrections in your business that will keep you on track to success. Now, this may seem complicated, but in fact, it's actually quite simple. It all begins with the tracking of the number of real estate-related conversations that you're having every day. And last but not least is accountability. Accountability is key. You must hold yourself accountable to your plan or get someone to help you. This can be someone that has a vested interest in your success. Maybe it's an accountability partner, a coach, or someone else that you trust that will hold you to your word. Remember, it's not them that's holding you accountable. They're simply holding you accountable to your plan. They're standing for you and your plan. It's your plan that holds you accountable. They simply are a facilitator. So developing a business plan is a process that once you have it mastered, you can use this in all aspects of your life to achieve what you vision. It becomes a lifestyle, an overall mindset. So how do you begin? Well, there's hundreds if not thousands of business plan templates out there. You can find one by searching on the web. Pick one and just start developing your plan today. Now, my clients use the one that I created. It's a step-by-step guide that helps them create their plan. But once you find a template out on the web, find one that works for you. Rewatch this video, take it step by step, and it will show you exactly how to get started.